Hey guys, this video will help you find the semester one version of this course. I'm a little bit nervous that the links to the semester one course in the review pages won't work because it's a past enrollment for you guys now. So to find the semester one version, we just need to click on courses and then all courses. I have way more courses than you do, so yours will look a little bit more simplified than this. This view, maybe not, but when I go into all courses, I got a ton of courses in here. What you want to do is you want to find the semester one version of the course. So down here, so this list is all your current courses. These are all the past courses. So you want to look for semester one. So AP chemistry, I see right there, and I'm not seeing AP physics in oh, there it is, there's physics. So whichever course you're in, find your course. And then what I would do from there, I'll just go into physics, is I would head to modules, and then that should show all of the information. You can scroll through, you can find lectures, you can find the snapshots, all of that kind of stuff. So hopefully we don't need this, but if we do, it's here. And that's I just wanted to summarize how to get to the semester one version, because there are still a ton of good resources up there. So that's how you get to it. Keep working hard. Thanks, guys.